Tired of forgetting birthdays and scrambling for last-minute gifts? Learn how to add any birthday to Google Calendar in under 60 seconds. First, we'll open the Contacts sidebar. Then, I'll show you exactly where to enter the date. Finally, we'll save it so it syncs everywhere. Start by clicking the Contacts icon in the right sidebar. Then select an existing contact or create a new one. Now, under the About section, click Add Birthday. Click the Month drop-down menu and select the birth month. Then enter the birthday. And finally, enter the birth year if you have it. It's optional. Enter the birth year. Once that's done, click Save, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.